Hey everyone, it's Tu from Cleverific. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your order status page. Now if you have a Shopify store, you know exactly what this page is. It's pretty much what customers see once they've placed an order with your store. And to add or customize this page, here's what you need to do. You go ahead and go on over to your Shopify admin, and in your settings, you'll click on checkout, hit customize. Up at the top, you'll switch down or move down to order status in customer accounts here. Once you do that, if you have an app installed that allows you to add blocks, you can go ahead to sections where I was just at, add a block. Here we're adding Cleverific's self-serve order editing. I'm going to add this change order block here. And I am going to go ahead and give my customers 45 minutes to make changes, and then I will hit save. Once that's done, I'll go back to this order page, hit refresh, and now I've just added a customization to the order status page for customers to make changes to their orders after they've been placed. Thanks for watching.